join us again on our M54 B30 Volvo swap build. As you can see in the last episode, if you haven't watched it, go watch all the other ones. We got the engine to run. Let me bashing. I've located a lot of the crap out of the back of the car and managed to probably 85% rebuild the front end.
It looks like a car.
It looks like a car.
To be honest.
I mean, it's unassuming, you wouldn't know it's in there, but if you come with me, you will see that we do no longer
That's a nice BMW badge on your Volvo engine, mate.
Yeah, I was thinking about getting Volvo rocker covers.
Volvo MW.
Stock 330 radiator.
And you have, mate. That's it there, mate.
It actually sits in quite nicely. I've also done some work on the clutch pedal. It's pretty much there. I've bought a new cylinder because I use that one to mock up. So I've got the new one in the car. I need to fit that. And right now we are going to try and tackle the brakes. Once we tackle the brakes, I need to finish off the cooling system, plumb in the clutch and the brakes, and I need to fit a prop. Which
I've just seen you wrestling with Alfred.
Yeah.
For the M4 engine in there.
Good twang.
It down.
It's nice and spacious in here.
Yeah.
Point precision. Having to hold the pillar drill still because it's just sliding around on the worktop.
Yeah, I tried to do it last night.
The plate inside I need to shimmy.
Stations.
Yeah, it is.
I'm gonna make a mess of that.
Wait, are you getting vexed already? Wait, man's getting vexed.
How long does that go?
Arm's length plus a hand.
I have started welding in the bracket for the throttle pedal. I just need to finish that off and then the pedals are correctamondo. We're about to do the brakes and the clutch hard lines in the engine bay. I've got this remote booster, so I've got to link that up to the brakes as well. It's only 2 hard lines and a vac line. Should be easy enough. We've used an old bit of brake line to mock up and check the length and everything, just so we don't damage the nice new one. And here we have said nice new one. Basically got to fit this now, which means putting some onions on each end. Onion 1, onion 2. Right now.
Right, some David Attenborough. Yeah.
cut the window.
Jubilee's in the wrong.
So we've mounted up both the clutch and the brake master cylinders in the Firewall. Looks kind of tidy. And the pedal's pretty much done. I just need to stick it in there, so we'll show you that when that's done. We've also fitted in some coolant hoses that run along the back of the engine and in between the Firewall to the heater matrix.
Oi! Keep it down, mate. Shh.
They're fitted. We just need to connect the other coolant pipes and then hopefully we can fill it up and see if the temp sensor that we Volvo wired the other day is working.
How excited are you, mate?
Huh?
How excited are you? Looking good.
Very good. Bits. Hello, welcome back. We've been waiting for some parts for the old Ovlov. As you can see, the algae is getting even more intense.
It's quite disgusting. This thing now is literally green.
I'm going for a record. Basically, the bits we've been waiting for are this T-piece, which has turned up.
One very small boy.
One very small boy, slowing us down boy. Then the next one is this long box.
This giant boy.
It's an oversized object. The clue is in the size and the shape, so can you guess what it is? It's Christmas.
He's living his dream. He's going to have a true pool toy that's also cardboard.
There he is.
Where are the bolts? One of the many boxes of bolts I have in the Volvo. That's right now. Very nervous. It looks close.
Little pickle.
It's calamity, mate. They've chopped and welded it, but they've done in such a fashion that I can't even get a bolt in the hole.
Alfred wants some of that stick, mate.
Get off my rod, mate.
Well.
Oh no, leave it
It needs to
alone.
come off, mate.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
Oh,
Rust is lighter than carbon.
oh, bro.
I've poked
Oh
it.
god,
like
it's
minimum
so bad.
Oh my god.
So bad.
Oh, definitely worth building. Please stop it! Stop it! Stop!
Mate, you've only got 2 bolts in. That was really impressive English.
And what's the verdict?
Sitting up there, I now need to slap some bolts in and see if the faces meet.
Shaft, senor.
So the prop is in, it fits beautifully. I'm very happy because that would have been a really expensive mistake. But it fits, so
Good.
I need to sort out the linkage. I need a chassis mount ting for that, so order that, but we're going to do the brakes now.
Like this bit, yeah. It's like, no, it reminds me of the things you used to have on your doors. Has that got a light tube?
Swedish, yeah.
That's crazy. He wants to bolt through nothing.
Christ.
Chrome shiny knob,
That
mate.
looks awful. Looking like a walking stick, mate. I can suits the car. And George. And you, you're beige to be fair, and you're automatic as well.
And your busted knee.
I'm the only young one here, mate.
To be fair, I quite like the shape of that knob.
Sometimes you get some weird shaped knobs, and I like the touch of smooth ones in my
Yeah, to be
hands.
fair, yours feels really nice, mate. I quite like your knob.
Yeah,
Snaggy.
your knob's a bit rough, isn't it?
It's not
It needs a bit of smoothing out.
It just doesn't give you the same feeling when you touch it, you know.
Get some interference, here we go.
There's a thing hitting here.
He's got a degree in engineering, everyone.
Don't worry, everything's in order.
Worth! Whoa! I've got an interesting question which some of the viewers might be wondering.
Nobody watches our video.
Why doesn't Ali spark when you hit it with a grinder?
That's a good question, mate. I don't know. Let's find out. Stay tuned, baby.
Might be here for a while. Has the chopping worked?
It's getting better. It's not quite.
Yo, eject
Can I use this big frick? What is this doing?
Literally just standing here. Standing here, he comes through like, get out of my way. Like, what's this doing here?
I think he's had a bad day.
This is quite clearly the zone I was working. Where's the
No, it wasn't. You were over there.
Hey, yo. Gear stick.
I haven't got it.
You were talking
I
about
haven't got it. You put it there. Melon, mate.
Jam.
I was supposed to leave some more material in the middle, wasn't I? Look how happy they are. George, which one do you prefer, mate?
No, you do, mate.
Alright, come down. Lots of bubbles there, mate.
That finally finished.
This is it, mate. The beautiful artwork. Just don't look here because I made it a bit short. Well, let's just survive George's erratic gear shifting. That's it, mate. I've made a metal thing out of some more metal things. How do you feel?
How do you feel?
How does your knob feel, mate?
Core smooth, firm. Cheapest one with a spring. Pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Thank you, Jamie.
Look at me.
So is it
Fucking
about
rolling
to
around on the floor?
move out of here under its own power?
Imagine that.
Supposedly. So we'll get it on the floor and see if it'll move.
2 whole
And
years,
stop.
mate.
It needs to be able to stop. We haven't stopped it yet.
Yeah, that's true. 2 years. 2 years.
Only got a minute record time, mate.
My bum is quivering. I'm about to move it for the first time in almost 2 years. Oh my god, that's so crazy. You should keep watching. Battery.
Ha!
Wiggle. Can you wiggle it, please? Oh, fuel. Hope it's the right key.
It's been that long you can't remember how to unlock the fuel cap.
I can't remember if it came with another key. As we said earlier, I haven't driven this car in almost 2 years. Haven't filled up the petrol in even longer than that. The key won't go in the filler cap lock. So,
All that work.
all that work, we're here ready to drive, and I can't put my jerry can of fuel in, so we can't start it. There might be another key, but I can't even remember. After much scrambling, I have the fuel, I have a funnel, and I have accessed the fuel tank via the top. I will now proceed to pour in fuel. You ready for me to pour it everywhere?
Surely you got that. Easy, mate. What are you, what?
Now going in, we should do air freshener like this.
They do, don't they?
What, petrol?
Yeah. Straight back in, what's that about?
It's just a quick road test, that's it done. I'm just going to sell the car now. The clutch isn't perfect, it's staying engaged, but I have enough brakes to stop the
basically
car.
what you're trying to say is clutch needs bleeding.
I need to bleed the clutch. You got the free failure yet? Dry and crunchy. We have the very cool, very custom, very expensive custom bracketry for bleeding the clutch system. So we'll attach this.
Got the absolute power stance.
Power stance going. How does it get so dusty in here so quick? We literally work in a desert.
With dry sense of humour, mate.
Up here is to try and get it as high as possible and vertical as possible so the air has an easy route of exit. Preferable to have it above the cylinder, but I don't think I can make that happen.
What do, nephew?
As you can see, I'm not driving the Volvo down the yard in victory. I'm instead in here washing my grubby little mitts because we couldn't get the clutch to breed. Breed? We don't want to breed it. We couldn't get the clutch to bleed properly. So it's pretty late. I'm not really sure what's wrong with it. We think one of the rods might be too short or something, or too long, or I don't know. We're gonna have to try and do some more stuff. Get the clutch to work, but it did move under its own power, so I'm taking that as a slight victory. Unfortunately, you've got to wait to see it rip some more. Sorry. So catch us in the next episode. Definitely be driving in that one. And like and subscribe. And buy some merch whilst you're at it. Why not?
That's all, folks.